Hello everyone, this is Deepak Malpaka. In this video, I am going to answer these interview questions of Node.js. First question is what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like API, CHA or PHP? So, Node.js is a runtime environment that allows us to run JavaScript on the server side. It is built for JavaScript engine and uses an event-driven. It is in non-blocking I/O model, making it efficient for handling multiple requests simultaneously. And the difference between Node.js and PHP is uses a multi-thread model, uh, which can spawn a new thread whenever the request is generated. And Node.js uses a single-threaded, which is then runs in event loop with asynchronous callbacks. So this is the difference between the Node.js and PHP. And our second question is what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? First, I will answer what is a callback function. A callback function is a function which is passed as an argument to another function and it is executed later. And the reason for using it for asynchronous program is Node.js is a non-blocking means function like reading a file or making an API request don't stop execution. Instead, they call back function that gets executed once the operation is completed. So it is the reason for using the callback functions in asynchronous programming. And our third question is what is the purpose of package.json file in the Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Uh, the package.json file is a configuration file of our Node.js project containing the metadata about our project and managing dependencies. Actually, JSON file is what is JSON file means JavaScript object notation. And the key properties of our JSON file are first the name of the project and version. Version is the current version of the project and description about our project and main the entry point of our project and dependencies means external packages required for our project are the dependencies and uh, dev dependencies sorry dependencies means external packages required for our project. So this is the purpose of JSON file, and these are the properties of our JSON file. And we are going to answer the fourth question: difference between the required and import statements in Node.js, when and why they would use one over the other. So, first the required. Actually, the required is an older common JS module system used in the Node.js, which is before ES6, and import. It is a newer ES6 module syntax. Uh, Actually, mm, required is in older JS versions or when working with common JS modules. We use import in modern Node.js that supports only ES modules like module in package.json, etc. What is the middleware in context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in Express application? So middleware functions are the functions that have access to request, response, and next function in the Express.js. So they are used in logging in request, uh, tracing request bodies, handling authentication, error handling, and uh, example for middleware is okay. And the next question is, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API means representational state transfer is a web service that allows us to REST principles using HTTP methods to perform operations on resources. Main HTTP methods are get, which fetch the data from the users, and post, create a new resource, and put, upgrading an existing resource, and delete, which removes the resource. Mm, So next question is, what is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in Node.js project? So npm means Node Package Manager is used to install, manage, and update the packages in a Node.js. Uh, the actual common commands in the npm are npm init, which initializes a new project with package.json, and npm install express installs express and add it to the dependencies, and npm install uh, yeah, npm install is used to the, install the dev dependencies, and npm update all the installed packages which are previously installed, and npm uninstall express removes a package. So these are the commonly used commands. And why it is important to hash passwords in web application. Hashing passwords is then crucial for security uh, because, sorry, the reason for hashing the passwords is to maintain the security. Actually, we will store our passwords in Firebase or database, right? So by hashing the passwords, we can prevent if the database is hacked. Or hashing is one way, so passwords cannot be resolved. So this is the reason for using hashing. And modern hashing algorithms use salting to add randomness, making attacks like rainbow table attacks so become ineffective. So it is the reason for making hashing. So thank you. Actually